Teacher Few Education Center.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning special sounds. So let's just into our phonics class. Why you have an E at the end of the word? Oftentimes it's made that the letter says name. Do you know what the name of the letter is?
I.
Nice. So can you sound this word out with I?
Like.
Awesome job, have good reading. See you next video.